This is the fourth installment in making kits out of 2x2-inch earbud cases. And today is the first aid kit. So here's the first aid kit. You can see it's labeled first aid, but it also has the red zipper. And red usually symbolizes first aid. So let's open the zipper. Now, what's right on top, you can see it, but it says heart attack question. And that is, if you think you're having a heart attack, it is a good idea to take one aspirin. And the best way to take it is to chew it. That's the fastest way to have it enter your bloodstream. So, I keep it right on top, just in case. Then we have some bandages. This is a fingertip bandage. You know, it's the kind, can you see? Maybe not. It's the butterfly shaped bandage. Put up here. Then we have just a regular blister bandage. So it has that padding on there, and if you get a blister, this really comes in handy, especially if you get one on your heel like I always seem to do. And this is just a normal Band-Aid. Then we have a little bullet-shaped tampon. And of course this has a lot of uses, but primarily to sap up blood if need be, or if somebody else, it just happens to be their time of the month. I'm going to go on the top here next. Have some little super glue, which comes in handy for a liquid suture, so to speak, if you get a cut. And another Band-Aid. And this is just more of a square shaped bandage. And they really come in handy for, oh, like let's say on your knee or your shin. Quick and clean alcohol swab to clean either your hands or the area that you're working on. And 2 packets of Neosporin antibiotic cream. And if I can get it out of here. Some burn-free. This is in case you get a burn, which is pretty common if you're in the outdoors and working with fire. And this is ointment to put on a burn. And now we have these 2 little metal containers. And this one says it contains Benadryl, Lavender Oil, hydrogen peroxide, and Moleskin. We'll open it up. Okay. Right at the very top, piece of Moleskin, also great for blisters. And then we have a little tube of lavender oil, which I use all the time. It's miraculous. I mean, if you get stung by a wasp and you put this on, within 10 minutes you don't even know you were stung. The swelling's completely gone. There is no pain. It also is great for burns. And then hydrogen peroxide, I still use that to clean a minor wound with hydrogen peroxide. If it's a really deep wound, you probably shouldn't do it because it can necrotize tissue. And then the little pink pills on the side are Benadryl. Excellent thing to take with you just in case you become allergic to something. And this one just says meds. Let's open it up. If I open it the right way. Okay, you can see I have pills here. And I also have this on the top. So it's saying Tylenol is for pain, and in the middle for swelling, like Motrin or Ibuprofen. And on the side there is Imodium for diarrhea. Very important to have when you're out and about because it sure can spoil a lot of fun. We have meds if you get diarrhea or if you have swelling due to an injury or pain. And we also have burn treatment here, and the lavender oil, and the lavender oil for stings. In order to clean the wound, we have a quick clean pad, but we also have hydrogen peroxide. And then we have 2 tubes here of antibiotic. And for closing the wound, we have various size Band-Aids, but we also have super glue if it would be needed. And most important thing there in the middle, the aspirin in case of a heart attack. You should always carry one. It can happen at any age, and all you do is chew 1 aspirin and it can save your life or the life of a family member.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video.